Hey guys, John here.
And Ryan here with
Vapor Honing Technologies. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. And wanted to talk about the topic today, which is going to be what makes the Hydroblast so unique and so special. And Ryan, I brought you in today because I wanted you to talk a little bit about it. You've been working with this machine for a couple weeks now, almost every day when you're working with parts in the showroom, doing some testing. So tell us, like, what is a biggie for you which makes the Hydroblast parts washer so unique and different?
I would have to say the biggest thing for me is the pressure at which you're working at. Like, even stepping from a vapor honing machine into a Hydroblast, the pressure there is just insane because it's like 1700 PSI. So basically any piece of dirt, grime, even light corrosion that's in front of it, you can easily blast it off. And to me, that's what makes working with it so good.
So we really need to let everybody know watching today that this is just a parts washer.
Correct.
Not abrasive mixed with water like we normally do in our vapor honing systems.
Right.
But that's what, I'm glad you said the pressure side because again, you guys, this machine is the lowest PSI on the Hydroblast or the lowest level of Hydroblast machines, 1700 PSI. We do have one coming out soon, which is going to be the high-end max version. What's the PSI rating on that one?
4,000.
4,000 PSI. Unbelievable pressures, amazing
Absolutely.
cleaning powers, cuts through cheese, butter, you name it. So if it can do that, right, it can obviously cut through grease. Back when we first developed this machine a couple years ago, and you guys are probably like, a couple years ago, we haven't really shown this machine off much, right? I mean, we
No,
don't.
it's kind of been, like you said, a good kept secret.
Yeah, best kept secret. Everybody loves it though. The people that are getting them,
Right.
rave reviews. Mainly because as you guys have used it, you've used it as a pre-process to vapor honing or a post-process, right? So taking the initial grease off
Right.
and then vapor honing and then taking the abrasive out of the part, you know, in parts. For example, let's use the cylinder head, right, on the table. That would be a
Completely.
good application, right? Let's grab this thing.
Because actually we did use the Hydroblast for this because there was a ton of carbon buildup on it. We were able to blast around it.
So you guys did your pre and your post on this, and of course vapor honed it. I mean, these things are nasty.
Oh,
Like,
this one was disgusting.
oily, just nasty, slimy parts. The audience probably has questions like, okay, well, how do you keep a vapor honing machine clean if you're going to do like parts washing and blasting at the same time? Well, it is more difficult, right? You have to clean the machine longer. So that's where the parts washing Hydroblast comes in to keep those vapor honing machines cleaner for longer periods of time. But yeah, I mean, this is an awesome piece that these guys did. These are kind of the beautiful results you're going to get every single time. And of course, you can clean them with your Hydroblast. Another thing I like is we have, I don't know if you mentioned this, but you have 2 stages of filtration, right? You have filtration underneath the floor. Those are reusable, washable cartridge filters. And then you have another filter going into the pump, which is your second stage.
Correct.
If you guys have questions on the Hydroblast, we're here and happy to shoot more content for you moving forward. We're also happy to share with you any information you need. So call the sales department, email them. They're always here and happy to help. And if you have comments, put those in the comment section below so we can answer those questions for you.
And before we go, I just want to reiterate what John said. The Hydroblast is not a vapor honing unit, but that's one of the beautiful parts about it, is because you're not adding media to the process, you do not have to worry about getting that lodged into your parts. So it's a mechanic's best friend. That's how I would like to put it.
Absolutely. So, yeah, that's really the target audience is anybody doing maintenance, anybody doing general mechanic work. That's where these machines are fabulous. And of course, for all you guys doing vapor honing out there already, you guys could certainly add this to your arsenal to really speed up your processes. So as always, we thank you for watching.